Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a day in the life because there's a lot of fun and exciting things happening. So I figured I would take y'all along through my day and just show you what a day in my life kind of looks like. So today we are going to be working out. That's actually what we're doing right now. It's 8 o'clock. I love working out bright and early in the morning. I just feel it gets my body going, and I actually feel the strongest in the morning and the most motivated because, not gonna lie, later on in the day, your girl does not want to go to the gym. I want to binge watch some Netflix and eat all the foods. We also have some business things to go over and tell y'all about. There's some really exciting things happening. One thing we've been working on for 8 months, and we're just a few months away from launching, and I'm just so excited. But I'll tell you guys more about that later on in this video. We need to get to the gym. It is currently 8 o'clock. It's time to hit the gym and get active.
But this guy does not want to go to the gym at all. Do you, Russell? No? Not even a little bit? Okay, we'll be back.
Is freaking delicioso. We're currently making some breakfast. If you haven't seen my full day of eating, I would definitely check that out because that has exactly what I eat every single morning for breakfast. I do have to go charge this camera because it is about to die. So we're gonna just kind of end this clip right here. We'll see you guys when we're running errands, and then we'll be back here to talk business. Max. I already have a cart full of a couple items I want to try on and a couple things for Caleb, but now we got to get something for Russell. So, trying to figure out what to get him that he can't destroy within 5 minutes, because every time I get him something like at TJ Maxx, it's destroyed within 5 minutes. The search continues for little Russell boy. TJ Maxx for me was a bust, but I was able to get Russell that toy that y'all saw, and I picked up Caleb a shirt and a pair of workout shorts, because that man has literally like no workout clothes whatsoever. Now I'm heading over to the Nike clearance store to meet Caleb because he found some shoes. So let's go see what the honey bunny got his little hands on.
Wait the future to come at last. This time tomorrow I will be gone.
Hey! Alright guys, we are in good old Ross. Doing a little shopping. Oh my god, look what I just found. Now only if I had somebody to give this to would be sick. So let's find somebody. Ma'am? Ma'am?
Oh, thank you. Get these out of here. Just kidding. Thank you, kind sir. Chip, chip, cheerio. I think we might do a little lap though around the loop just to see if there's any little stores that we see that we want to go in, specifically me, like little home decor stores, because I love home decor.
Your little grubby fingers.
Little grubby fingers.
This is you.
Gone, a faded memory, forever worn. I wanna wake up without sorrow. I wanna step out in a world that's brighter. We are the people of tomorrow. We stand together, raise our hands up higher.
Guys, it feels really good to be home. It is very overcast, which is nice, but it's really, really humid. And I've noticed lately that when it's really humid, I start to get very lightheaded and dizzy. I've been drinking a ton of water, but yeah, I just felt kind of gross. So it feels good to be home. I'm gonna change because I like sweated through my shirt in the back. I'm just, ugh. And I gotta go to the bathroom, make some food. Then we got some good things and exciting things to tell you about.
All I asked for was a frickin' rotating chair, okay?
We're back from running errands, guys.
Hello.
So we want to talk to you guys about our future businesses and just exciting things that are coming in the next couple months. Hold on. Russ. Thank you. So the first thing we're really excited about is my CBD line. Y'all know I already have my CBD line that has 2 tinctures, and we are getting ready to add more products. I don't know exactly when those products will be added, but they are in the works right now. So I cannot talk because I'm so excited, but we are adding 2 bath bombs, and they are freaking amazing. We've already used them, and we finally gave like the go ahead and the thumbs up on it. And I loved it. I don't know.
I'm not a bath bomb guy in general, but bath bombs are like awesome to me now. Like I wouldn't just go in there and buy a bath bomb. Be like, oh, I want a bath bomb. But if you haven't tried a bath bomb, get a bath bomb. They're totally worth it. They're relaxing, and you won't regret it. Because if I liked it, trust me, anybody will like it. Because I'm like super picky when it comes to like everything. Mm-hmm. So definitely try one of the bath bombs out. You will really enjoy it.
And the next item that we're adding to the CBD line is
Drum roll.
dog treats. So these are actually gonna be Russell's treats. Russell freaking loves his treats. We've already sampled a couple different recipes, and we found one that we really love. We're not gonna tell you the flavor yet though. You're just gonna have to wait, but he has really bad anxiety when it comes to like being left at home or going to the vet or getting his nails clipped. So I was like, let's try some CBD treats, and they worked. So then I was like, you know what? If they work this well for my pup, who a lot of things don't work for him, this has to work for somebody else's dog. So these are gonna be Russell's treats. He's gonna be freaking on the cover. He's gonna be the face of them. Those are the items getting added to my CBD line. We're super excited about it because y'all have loved my CBD products, and we can't thank y'all enough for just giving our CBD products a try. And we have over like 80 something reviews on the website, so it's really cool to see that y'all are loving something that helped me so much, helps him a ton, especially with his allergies, and it's helping y'all. So that's so cool. The next business that we already have, but it's getting ready to revamp, is my challenges. So I am an online personal coach. Caleb actually helps go over all the workouts to make sure they kind of flow, make sure they make sense.
Make sure they work, basically.
Exactly. We're both certified personal trainers, so we go over that. We are going to be giving away $1,500 again. This is going to be another 8-week challenge. We're doing things a little bit differently this time, though. The ebook is going to be completely different than the last one. There's going to be a Facebook group, and this time I'm actually giving video demonstrations. So for every single day, you are going to have videos for that day, specifically for those workouts.
And the videos will be in the Facebook group.
Yes, the videos will be in the...
of.
Exactly, the videos will be in the Facebook group. So every single day I will post a status in the Facebook group that you'll have access to. It will have the whole album of that day's workouts. So you'll get to see how you perform them, the right way to do them, and all that. And you'll be able to also connect with other women from the challenge and support each other, because y'all loved the challenge, the last challenge I did, and I had so much fun creating it and just being there to support you guys. So that is going to be starting in the fall. I don't have a set date yet. So that is the 2 businesses that we can talk about. And now the third business, I'm freaking jumping out of my skin. Like, I'm going crazy. I'm like a little kid who just got told they're going to Disney World for the first time. That's how freaking pumped I am.
We've been working on it for about 8 to 9 months now, and we should be getting the final samples probably in the next couple weeks. So hopefully within the next couple weeks you guys will know a little bit more, but we're kind of on the manufacturer's time, so whenever they get it to us is when we can give it to y'all.
And when we have those samples in, that is when we're going to be able to tell you guys exactly what this new brand is, and we'll actually need your guys' help. So we'll need you to help us out, maybe decide on a couple things for us. Opinions, exactly, because we really want you guys to be involved in this process. I know you're not involved now, but once we can talk about it and announce it, y'all are gonna be super involved, and I think that's just really cool because this is something for you guys. We should have the final samples at the end of August.
Yes, cross your fingers.
Cross your fingers.
We've been waiting long enough.
Yeah.
We're getting old over here.
I'm
going bald. Wait so long, I'm going bald. Would you love that one?
You're so cute, Joe, honey. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Sorry I almost smacked you in the face on that one.
It's okay. We hope you guys enjoyed it.
And we'll see you guys in the next video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy the day in the life business talk. We love giving you guys just more information about what we're doing in our life. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video with me. You never miss Russell's face wherever he went, and you never miss this guy either and his coolness, his goofiness. See you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye.
Bye.